Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP. Today, this one's a little bit different. This is my lemon bikini chicken with an easy tray bake stuffing. I saw this photo on Facebook and I went, nah, that sounds really weird. I'm going to try and cook this and I'll leave the camera going at the same time. This tastes really good. Alright, let's make our stuffing first. I've got a little bit of butter in a pan and I've got 2 small brown onions which I have finely diced. I'm putting that straight into the fry pan, just like that. Okay, and all we're going to do is just cook those off. We're going to get those nice and soft, so when they go translucent, we know we're right. And now here I've got only about 250 grams worth of bacon rashers that I've just really finely cut up. Right, add that. That's going to give us a really nice flavour to our stuffing. Alright, so just stir that round. That's not going to take very long to cook at all. Alright, so just stir and mix all of that through. A little bit more butter. Add that in. Now this is a very rich stuffing, but I'll tell you what, it just tastes so good. Alright, so here I've got around about 3 cloves of garlic, which I've finely sliced, believe it or not. And that takes me a lot of work with my MS to try and hold a little clove of garlic and cut that up fine. A good dose of salt and pepper to taste. I'm using a mixture of white and black pepper, and I'm using a pink Himalayan salt there. So add as much or little of that as you want. The bacon will be salty, so just keep that in mind when you salt that up. Now here I've got some fresh sage and fresh rosemary, which I have just finely sliced up or diced up. Right, just mix all of that through, and the flavours from that is already starting to hit the nostrils. Absolutely amazing. Another little bit of butter. Don't worry, we're going to be able to absorb all of this butter quite easily. Alright, here I've got 1 egg, and I've got around about 1 cup's worth of chicken stock that I've just made up. Alright, mix both of those together. Make sure your chicken stock is at room temperature, otherwise you're going to scramble the egg. Okay, now here I've got around about 6 slices of white bread that I've just roughly torn up. Right, really simple. That just all goes together, and we're going to pour all of that egg mixture and stock straight over the top, just like that. Alright, really simple to do. That bread's going to soak up all of that goodness and all of those flavors, and it's going to make the most incredible stuffing. Alright, we can do this ahead of time. You can even freeze that if you want to and take that out at any time you want to and cook that with a roast. Alright, roast chicken, roast turkey, it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to give that a little bit of a stir from time to time, make sure we get all of those liquids absorbed, and I'm just going to put that on a bit of baking paper in a pie dish or a quiche dish, and that can just set aside until we're ready to cook that off with our lemon bikini chicken. Alright, so put that aside. Now it's time to get busy with our chicken. Alright, I'm going to make up a bit of a seasoning here. I'm just going to use a little bit of table salt, a good dose of lemon pepper, right, around about a teaspoon's worth, maybe 2 teaspoons worth. I'm going to sort of make a ratio, sort of 1 to 1 to 1. Alright, I'm going to add in garlic powder, again equal amounts, and onion powder, again equal amounts. Right, just add all of that together in a little ramekin or a little shaker if you need to, and sometimes your onion powder will clump. Anyway, I'm going to stir all of those through and get a really nice even consistency and an even blend. Right, here I've got a size 18 chicken. I'm going to send the chicken off to flexibility exercises. Stretch your chicken. It will end up being more juicy and more moist. Right, so stretch the arms and get that workout in with our chicken, because we want our chicken looking good wearing a lemon bikini. Alright, I'll flip that over just like that. Very, very simple. Right, we're going to turn that over breast side down to start with. Alright, here I've got a pair of poultry shears, and I'm just going to cut either side of the backbone all the way through, all the way down to the parson's nose. Alright, just cut that all the way through. We're going to make sure that chicken separates. We've cut all of that all the way through. That's cool. Now we can turn our chicken over on its back, just like that. Make sure we've got everything nice and even. We want to flatten that out, so we're going to give that a little bit of a heart massage, a little bit of CPR. Right, we're just going to press that down on top of our wire rack. Now that little spice blend that we made up, we're going to sprinkle that all over our chicken, right, on over that skin. Now my oven is sitting at 180 degrees Celsius. All right, the magic number. Make sure we get that seasoning in every nook and cranny. We want to make sure this chicken is going to sing when we eat it. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Right, the lemon pepper is going to add certain flavors to it, but the actual lemon itself is really going to add an amazing flavor. So here I've got a lemon. I've cut the the tops off 2 lemons and some strips and a little bit there, and I've made a little lemon bikini for our chicken. We'll give that a little bit of suntan lotion, spray oil. We'll put that straight over the top, just like that, and all I'm going to do now is simply put that in the oven for around about half an hour per 500 grams or 1 hour per kilo, and it's going to come out looking something like that. All we have to do now is joint our chicken. I'm going to cut these into full Marylands and some breasts. There is our stuffing. I did leave that in for a little bit too long. Don't worry about that burnt bit. It's only just a little bit on top, and you can serve that up. There's your lemon bikini chicken with tray baked stuffing. Anyway, obviously try and make this one at home. This was really fun. It looks ridiculous, but I tell you what, it tastes amazing. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you don't hit like the video, hit that like button anyway. You've got nothing else to do, right? Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media, because I think it tastes great and it is funny as. Anyway, leave a comment. I love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to cook some serious meals, and this one which was not really serious but ended up tasting amazing, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll have to eat my lemon bikini chicken with an easy tray baked stuffing, and I will catch you next time. Bye.